Todd mentioned quite a few points of failure as you're finding your way to real estate investing.
Yes.
You know, this is probably being a bit transparent on my end, but every time I have something go wrong like that, it just completely throws off my compass. I don't know what to do, which direction to go, second guessing myself. But you seem to try again. Is that a mindset thing, or did you experience that as well?
Well, at the time of the failure, it's really difficult. It's really hard because it hits you. Of course, you try to do your best at the time with the knowledge that you had at the time. But after it happens and you learn from what went wrong, that's a very important reason. What went wrong? What didn't work? And, if you read about successful people, the average of fallings is about 3.8 times. Every successful guy has failed about 3.8 times. That's the average. And looking back, I'm glad things happen the way they happen because you start from experience. And you don't start from zero. You start from extremely valuable lessons that you're not going to repeat again. And they get so recorded inside you that you simply cannot forget and you will avoid them at any cost next time.
I just realized this, and I hate to make this connection, but you said the average successful person has failed 3.8 times, which you could round up to four directions on a compass. You're finding your way. You're actually finding your true north through that process.
That is correct. At some point, you realize I'm already 50 years old. I realize what worked, what didn't work, the mistakes I had in my life, and also, I have found my way guided by God. I found my way in God, and that has helped me and has helped my business because we are really God centered oriented. As some people said to me, why are you saying it just like that? Some people are not going to like it. And I always said, listen, whoever doesn't like it probably shouldn't be my customer. But most people will resonate and will appreciate it because at the end, we all in the company, we are their servants, God's servant.